And so those are things where you get into really interesting things like can you move the workload somewhere else that is not necessarily localized, that can be then moved over, the data can be ingested, and then can some of that data, some of that offtake, can that be moving to another location to be processed and then to be turned back around? So those are really interesting questions because you're dealing with things like how do you power that compute? And if it's better to move the workload to a place that has more power capacity to power that job, if you will, or that workload. And that again is dependent on how important or what is the priority of that workload to be turned back around. So an autonomous car, having that information is critical to be turned back around. Maybe the manufacturing use case can be, rather than competing for that local power and that local processing, but maybe that can now be shifted over to, and federated, what I would call more of a federation of being able to move those workloads to another place where the cost might be lower, the power might be more readily available.